One of the most exciting new technologies in aesthetics is microneedling with radiofrequency. Hi, my name is Matt Taranto, owner of AesthetiCare MedSpa and Wellness, a world's leading clinic. Today I'm going to talk to you about microneedling with radiofrequency. So what is microneedling? Well, it was developed in the mid-90s, and the idea, which we knew for years, was how can we create an injury in the skin that will create the production of your own collagen? And so utilizing these tiny microneedles to penetrate the skin to the depth of our choosing turned out to be a very safe and effective way to address things like wrinkles and acne scars. And it grew and grew in popularity. But what's so nice with everything, just like an iPhone getting better all the time, we were able to make microneedling better by adding radiofrequency. And now microneedling with radiofrequency has just exploded in the aesthetic industry. Now, why does that make microneedling better? By adding the radiofrequency, when those needles penetrate the skin, once they reach their depth, a burst of radiofrequency energy is released. So now we don't just have a physical injury, which was caused by the needles, we have a thermal injury as well, which gives us a much greater production of collagen and elastin. And what's beautiful about this treatment, one, very minimal downtime, maybe 12 to 24 hours of redness. Two, it's safe on all 6 skin types. And 3, it can literally be used anywhere on the body. So who is a good candidate for microneedling and microneedling with radiofrequency? Well, the easy answer is almost anybody, because again, minimal downtime, safe on all 6 skin types. So this is a great treatment for prevention and anti-aging for younger people. And then when people get older, it's wonderful for addressing things like fine lines and wrinkles, scars from surgery, acne scars, and even better yet, tissue tightening. We can utilize microneedling with radiofrequency in all areas of the body. And one of the areas we have the most success is women postpartum who have laxity in their abdomen, and utilizing this to actually tighten that tissue and restore the elasticity in the abdomen area. So that's one of our favorite things about these treatments is we can use them on almost anybody, any skin type, and for a wide variety of conditions. What to expect from start to finish with microneedling and microneedling RF. So we normally start with a very thorough consultation utilizing photo imaging. We want to get a very clear picture of the condition of the skin before we treat. Now, if this person has issues with laxity in their skin, fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, enlarged pores, an overall poor skin tone, microneedling and microneedling RF are wonderful choices for that client. Now, like most things in aesthetics, normally we would recommend a series of treatments, and it could be as short as 2 or 3, and it really could be as long as 5. And everybody will respond uniquely to this treatment, and that is why we are so diligent with before and after photography, so we can show our clients exactly the improvement that has occurred. Now, during the treatment, microneedling, if you did it with no numbing cream, would be very uncomfortable. But we utilize a topical numbing cream that makes this a very comfortable treatment. Now, traditional microneedling without radiofrequency doesn't have nearly as much of a bite. When we add the radiofrequency, that device, you're going to feel it a little bit more, but most people will tell you on a scale of 1 to 10, the pain level is between 3 and 5. And we can do a very good job of managing that discomfort. Now, the beauty of microneedling compared to some more aggressive laser treatments is very minimal downtime. You can expect to look a little red, sometimes some minor swelling. Most people don't get significant swelling at all, but a little minor swelling. And we provide post-care to keep the skin hydrated and protected. And usually within 24 to 36 hours, most people will never know you even had a treatment. After that, we want to be diligent with photography through the series to make sure we are showing you the results that are being achieved by this treatment. Overall, microneedling and microneedling with radiofrequency have turned out to be some of the most popular treatments in aesthetics today. Wonderful results, minimal downtime. And to find out if you're a candidate, we do recommend a thorough consultation with a very well-trained professional. For more information, please visit worldsleadingclinics.com.